Hi everyone, welcome back. Hope you all are doing well. As the month of goodness is almost near, sharing this special recipe that will be very beneficial during Ramadan and even on busy days for all the bachelors, working women, or busy moms. So, here is a special one pot chicken curry that's super simple, quick, easy to make, and taste awesome. Hope you like this video. Keep watching. For making chicken curry, here I have taken 750 grams of chicken with bone, which I have cleaned and washed. In veggies, we require 2 medium-sized onions, 2 medium-sized tomatoes, handful of coriander leaves, mint leaves, and 3 green chilies. Then we require yogurt. This is quarter cup, around 4 tablespoons. Now chop and add all the veggies into a blender. Pulse it to a coarse texture. Do not make it puree. Just blend 1 to 2 pulse and grind to a coarse texture. Now I'm going to prepare this chicken curry in my clay pot. So into the clay pot add in the chicken pieces. Then to this we're going to add 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, 2 teaspoons of red chili powder, 2 teaspoons of Kashmiri chili powder, 2 to 3 teaspoons of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of fennel powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, and 1 teaspoon of garam masala. Add salt as required and then add in the yogurt. Now to this add in the grounded mixture. Rinse the jar with water and add it. Now add around 2 to 3 tablespoons of cooking oil and give all a good mix. Chilies you may adjust as per your taste. Cooking in a clay pot is not only healthy, it also enhances the taste and flavor of it. I've already shared how you can season, clean and maintain the clay pot. We'll share the link in description. You may have a look. Now to this I'm going to add potatoes. I love to add potatoes in my curry, so here I'm adding 3 medium-sized potatoes and few curry leaves. Mix again. You may skip the potatoes if you don't want. Now allow it to rest for 15 to 20 minutes. And if you are in a real hurry, you may skip the resting time and proceed directly with the cooking. Here it rested for 15 to 20 minutes and we are good to go. Just place it on a medium-low flame and allow the curry to cook. Keep stirring in between and the curry will be ready in 15 minutes. With just one step, you can prepare delicious chicken curry anytime. If you are a bachelor or have sudden guests at home, or you are so busy that you can't spend hours in kitchen yet crave to have homemade chicken curry, then this is the recipe for you. Just keep stirring in between. It's been 10 to 12 minutes. You can see the layer of oil floating. The curry is almost done. On the other side, I kept rice for cooking, so my steamed rice is getting cooked. I really love cooking in my clay pots as they are very healthy. On the other side, the curry has been simmering for a few minutes now. Now give a stir and let's check the potatoes and chicken. You can see here the potatoes is almost done. Let's check the chicken. It's well cooked. It's a really quick recipe and a time saver during Ramadan as we can quickly prepare it and spend more time in ibadah. Once the chicken is cooked well, at this stage add 1 to 2 teaspoons of black pepper powder and give a mix. This will make the curry more delicious. Give a stir, cover and cook for another 5 minutes and you can switch off the flame. Since we are cooking in a clay pot, the curry will simmer for another few minutes. Steamed rice is ready and I already switched off the flame for the curry. And you can see hassle-free, super quick and flavorfully delicious chicken curry is ready. Enjoy this delicious chicken curry with steamed rice, roti, naan or paratha. Hope you like this one pot chicken curry recipe. Then do like and share among your family and friends. See you soon in another useful video. Until then, take care of yourself. Assalamu alaikum. Thanks for watching. Happy cooking. Bye-bye.